Let's see. I recently bought a duplex with, this is Sarita. I recently bought a duplex with a conventional loan with the intention to live in one half and rent the other. The property needs significant rehabbing, and I'm wondering what I should definitely include in the rehab beyond upgrading electrical and plumbing, and what I can let go of and still maximize rent. My plan is to live in one unit for a year before renting it out. Look forward to discussing with you at the event tonight. Okay, so Sarita, really from a value standpoint and maximizing the rent, from a landlord standpoint, you're absolutely right. You want to do the electrical and the plumbing, anything that needs to be done from a mechanical standpoint and from a safety and longevity standpoint is 100% what you're going to want to do. As far as where you're going to get more bang for the buck, as far as your renters are concerned, is the curb appeal is huge. Okay, that's a big one. So making sure the front of the property presents really well as you can. Also, if you think about when someone walks in, what are the things they notice? They're going to notice the floor, the wall, the kitchen. So if you're going to spend money in any kind of like upgrades, I wouldn't, like, don't go crazy because it is still just a rental. If you follow a similar color scheme to properties that are flipped, like a gray or beige wall with white base and case, it pops and it kind of looks like a flipped property, and that's what people are accustomed to seeing that now because of all the television shows. So I would do that. If you have kitchen cabinets that are in decent shape and they can be preserved, you can paint them white and get new hardware. Like simple things like that go a long way because visually it's like, oh, that looks so nice. If the countertops are old, then I would replace them. You don't have to get granite, though I would compare the price between something that's maybe Formica but looks nice versus granite and just see what the difference is. You can decide if it's an investment you want to make. But that's really the main thing. And make sure like your bathroom is like, it looks really clean. You know, generally speaking, it's usually women who are making the decision visually, or they're at least going to have a lot of influence, and it matters to them what it looks like. So other than the electrical, plumbing, and the things that have to be done, try to focus on curb appeal, flooring, the walls being like, gray or beige, white base and case to make it pop.
Right on. If you're interested in learning more about real estate investing or investing in passive income, multifamily, or apartments, feel free to join our free private Facebook group. If you know that you want help, you want someone to hold your hand, and you want to be part of a mastermind and have coaching, all that you need to do is text the word freedom to 619-373-8461. So if you just want to see like, what is that about and how can I speed up my results and do it more safely, I'd be happy to chat with you about what your options are and see what we can do to help you along your journey.